Transporting hazardous materials across oceans is a critical operation that demands the highest standards of safety and compliance. When it comes to IMDG containers, those carrying dangerous goods, every step of the process is meticulously regulated to protect our crew, our vessels, and the environment. First and foremost, safety measures are paramount. Each IMDG container is labelled with specific hazard symbols, indicating the nature of the materials inside. This labelling is not just for show, it's a vital part of ensuring that everyone on board understands the risks involved. Before a ship even sets sail, thorough inspections are conducted. Crew members check for proper sealing, secure stowage, and that containers are loaded according to weight distribution guidelines. These precautions help prevent accidents during transit. Logging requirements are equally essential. Every IMDG shipment must be documented meticulously. This includes the Dangerous Goods Declaration, which outlines the contents, their classification, and emergency contact information. Accurate logging ensures that in the event of an incident, responders have immediate access to critical information. It's not just about compliance, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. Onboard precautions are taken seriously. Crew members are trained in emergency response protocols specific to hazardous materials. Regular drills simulate potential incidents, ensuring that everyone knows their role in case of a leak or fire. Firefighting equipment is strategically placed throughout the ship, and safety gear is always within reach. The mantra here is clear: preparedness is key. International regulations play a crucial role in the safe transport of IMDG cargo. The International Maritime Organization has established the IMDG Code, which provides guidelines for the safe handling and transport of dangerous goods. Compliance with the SOLAS Convention ensures that ships are constructed and maintained to withstand the rigors of the sea, while MARPOL regulations protect our oceans from pollution. These frameworks are not just bureaucratic red tape, they are essential for safeguarding lives and the environment. As ships approach their destination, the discharge process is another critical phase. Proper procedures must be followed to ensure that IMDG containers are unloaded safely. This includes coordinating with port authorities and ensuring that all local regulations are adhered to. The last thing we want is to compromise safety at the final hurdle. In conclusion, the transport of IMDG containers is a complex operation that requires unwavering attention to safety, thorough logging, and strict adherence to international regulations. Each crew member plays a vital role in this process, ensuring that we can transport hazardous materials safely across our oceans. Engaging with this topic is crucial for anyone involved in maritime operations. Stay informed, stay safe, and let's work together to uphold the highest standards in maritime safety.